for all the love, care, and wisdom that you gave to us. I wish you a very, very, very long life, and I hope you enjoy your day. Also, thank you for taking care of not only me, but also my cousins and your children since day one. And I hope na maging masaya ka palagi nung Tagalog. And stay pretty and always keep smiling. Love ya.
Happy birthday, Mama May. Ingatan mo sarili mo at maging malakas ka palagi. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Sana po masaya ka sa birthday mo. Good health. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama May. And you.
Happy birthday, Mama May. And pagpalusog ka palagi. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Malakas ka lagi. Love you. Titay Chuyo. Mama Mian.
Hi, Mother Man. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thank you sa pag-aalaga sa akin pag may sakit ako. Yan, more blessings to come, more good health sa'yo. I love you.
Ayun, hello. Binabati ko nga pala ng happy birthday ang konsehala ng Bagong Silang, Joy Mary Ann Calaod. Mag-ingat ka palagi, mahabang buhay pa para sa'yo. I love you. Yun lang.
Hi, hello, mabuhay sa mapagpalang hapon at binabati ko ng isang maligayang kaarawan ng aming vlogger na si Mary Ann Calaod ng Bagong Silang, Sukat, Muntinlupa City. At binabati ko rin ang yung mga anak ng mga contractor, ang Calaod family, na mukha namang construction worker at mukha namang buaya. Charis, hindi. Ano lang, ingat lagi at magandang buhay. Love, love lang. Thank you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, tita. Ayun, feeling ko pa yung maraming birthday yung dumating sa'yo. Good health. Siyempre, more vlogs to come. Eme. Charing. Basta yun lang, happy birthday.
Hi, kumaring Ate Mian. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa iyo at pagpapala. Tapos, sana wag mo nang problemahin yung mga problema. Hayaan mo na yung problema